Here's a question for you. What browser versions to support with WebRTC?
So in general, we always say current version, last two versions, and beta and Canary. And you should have automated end-to-end tests covering all the versions, or you might get a breakage in one version that you don't notice because you don't use that version for dog fooding.
Okay. So we're going for the, let's say, the future versions, which are the beta, Canary, dev, whatever you call them, because we want to make sure that our application will work once the browser vendors release their new version.
Yes.
We test the current one because that's what our customers are using. We test the previous ones because not everyone upgrades at the exact same moment, and sometimes it's a rolling upgrade for a browser vendor.
Yes, and you have things like Firefox Enterprise Support release, or Chrome has a slightly less wide range enterprise release.
And then on top of that, it actually depends on your customer base and your applications. So for example, you might have an Electron or CEF application that has an older version of Chrome in it, which means you need to test that as well, because that's what your customers are actually running, your users. Or there might be users that got frozen on a specific version if you're on an enterprise, an enterprise setting with customers that are very reluctant to move forward with the versions that they have.